What's going on, guys? It's Decelation, and today we're gonna start putting everything back onto my K24. You guys saw last video that I changed the VTC gear and the timing chain and changed over to the K20 oil pump. So now the engine's back all resealed again. Time to put the harmonic balancer back on, and we're gonna go to putting on some of the stuff that's on the table, like the pulley system for the alternator and whatever else I find on the table that I want to get on there. But if you like this type of content, please hit that subscribe button and hit your notification bell, because we're going to continue to get this ready for the K24 to go in my 911. Welcome back, guys. As you saw, that was pretty simple. I used this tool right here to hold the pulley from rotating, and then I used a torque wrench, torqued it to 181 foot-pounds. And now the damper is reinstalled. Now we're gonna go ahead and do my power steering and AC delete mount kit and mount up the alternator. So that's going to be in this little vicinity right here. Welcome back, guys. So as you guys see now, I have the alternator mounted and I got the belt on. So it looks really, really good. I did end up going with an Amazon kit, not the K-Tune one. This is the replica of the K-Tune kit, which I'm pretty sure the K-Tune was probably a little bit better, but I made it work. Two things of note. I don't know if this was because I got the upgraded aftermarket alternator, but this bush spacer right here had to be ground down a little bit so it'll actually fit, and this space was a little too far out, so I put some washers in there just to space it up, because there wasn't a spacer that was long enough, which means I also had to get longer bolts. So I don't know if that was because of the alternator or the kit itself, so we'll see. But it works. The belt's nice and tight, and everything is aligned, so I'm pretty pleased with it. So we'll see what we work on next, but catch you guys in a minute. Welcome back, guys. So next, what I'm going to work on is I'm going to use these fittings in this AN hose to create a turbo drain from the bottom of the turbo to go back into the oil pan. So yep, should be fun, pretty simple, straightforward. And hopefully I get it right so I don't have any oil backing up into the turbo. What's going on, guys? So we're going to do the spark plugs and ignition coils next on the engine. So let's get to work. All right, welcome back, guys. Spark plugs, ignition coils are all changed. This engine is pretty much buttoned up. The only thing that's really left is the wiring harness and what I got to do with the fittings for the fuel line, because I think 6AN is going to be too small for what I want to do. I'm going to run 8AN line, so I just got to change these fittings out. But for the most part, this is ready to go in the car when I get the wiring harness and after I deal with the transmission. So catch you guys on the next episode. I really appreciate you guys staying to the end, watching what I'm built. So if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe down below and hit that notification bell. And if you like what you see, comment down below and tell me what you think. Or if you don't like what you see, tell me what I'm doing wrong. Comment that down below as well. Have a good one, guys. Peace.